If you are considering financing a vehicle with SoFi, well, here's a step by step guide to their auto loan application process. Step one is pre qualify online. Start by visiting SoFi's website and filling out a pre qualification form. This involves providing basic information about your financial situation. SoFi performs a soft credit inquiry, so which won't impact your credit score. You'll receive a preliminary offer based on your financial profile. Step two, submit required documents. To proceed, you'll need to provide documentation to verify your identity and financial status. This typically includes government issued ID, proof of income like recent pay stubs or bank statements, proof of residence, vehicle information, purchase agreement, vehicle identification number. So, step three, loan review and approval. Once your documents are submitted, SoFi will review your application. This time, the time it takes to hear back can vary, but SoFi aims to provide a decision promptly. If approved, you'll receive a loan offer detailing the terms, including interest rate, loan amount, and repayment period. Step four, accept the offer and finalize the loan. If you agree to the terms, you will electronically sign the loan agreement. SoFi will then disperse the funds directly to the seller or dealership, depending on your purchase arrangement. For more detailed information or to start your application, visit SoFi's official website.